Today, Governor Brad Little signs House Bill number 12 into law, the legislation that calls for more clarity on who can disperse and administer opioid anti-drug Naloxone. In his Finding Hope report, McKenna King tells us how this medication is key to Governor Little's plans to combat the opioid epidemic.
Federal law makes Naloxone a prescription-only medication, but now Idaho is easing access to the life-saving drug that can reverse the effects of an opioid overdose. It's a precursor to the executive order that Governor Little plans to issue in the coming weeks. Deaths from opioid overdose are up 163% just in the last decade.
184 last year in Ada County died of a drug overdose. 59 in Canyon County, 64 in Kootenai County, Twin Falls 47, Payette 17.
And while Naloxone has been used for overdoses since the 70s, not everyone is aware of its capabilities, and access to the general public hasn't been quite as broad.
If you are ready to use, pull off red safety guard.
When access to Naloxone is enhanced, there is a 9 to 11% decrease in opioid-related deaths.
House Bill 12, signed Thursday, expands upon the 2015 law easing access to the drug, now removing any confusion as to who can prescribe or administer the medication.
Generally, there's this concern of if we expand prescriptive authority for one thing, it snowballs, and then we have, folks that we don't think are trained well enough. And the key piece about this is that there's would have to be training involved before somebody was writing a prescription or dispensing Naloxone.
Governor Little stating Idaho is seen as the leader in Naloxone access. This bill just puts us further ahead, providing Naloxone access to anyone in a position to help someone at risk. Naloxone comes in both injection and nasal spray form, both available for purchase at any pharmacy. The nasal spray just administered like this, and the injection administered like this.
We've gone from dealing with somebody we're looking at doing CPR because their respirations are so low that it's not sustainable for life. We've given them the drug and they sat right up.
Governor Little says his upcoming executive order will formalize an existing opioid plan, direct future resources, and broaden efforts to combat opioid addiction. This new law, an amendment to the current Naloxone law, will go into effect on July 1st. At the State House, McKenna King, 6 on your side.